Alright guys, it's Ben and Joe, aka Casper and Stoppin here from CodeNamePizza, and welcome to Theory Thursdays for 1 week only on a Saturday. Woo!
So guys, we decided to go and have a second look at the leaked loading screen that we did a video about a couple of weeks ago. Now on that it's called Bridging the Gap. Underneath that it says The Henge, and under that it says Der Kammer. Now whether this is meant to be Die Kammer or Der Kammer, it both translate to the chamber. This got us thinking, and it could mean or have some connection to the Nazi chambers, gas chambers, which then might connect to the Nova 6 gas zombies. Will they be making a return? Also, does this possibly point to a new gas wonder weapon that we could use against the zombies?
So if this new wonder weapon is going to be in this new map, how would we get it and what would it do? Well, it's fair to assume that this new wonder weapon is going to be a buildable, just like the previous weapons in the Black Ops 2 Zombies maps. So, could this be the first cooperatively used weapon in any zombies map? For example, you shoot this gas gun into a crowd of zombies and then disabling their vision and making them disorientated, very much like a monkey bomb. Then another player on your team could then shoot, let's say, the ray gun into that crowd, creating a blast and igniting this flammable gas, killing off some of the zombies.
As we've seen on Die Rise with the buildable weapon on that map, the Sliquify, and on Transit with the buildable weapon on that map, the Jet Gun, we need these to complete certain steps of the Easter eggs for those maps. With this new gun, the gas gun, could this be also used in the same way? So with it being gas, it could possibly infiltrate areas that a normal gun couldn't. So, for example, you've got a closed off room with all there is a grate or an air vent, and you're able to shoot the gas into that room and then ignite it in some way, which then blows the door open or to allow an object in or out of that room.
So guys, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed listening to our theory about this new wonder weapon. If you have any theories of your own, we'd be really interested in reading them, so leave them in the comment section below. If you enjoyed the video in general, please click a like button because we really appreciate it, and make sure you subscribe to be the newest member of the Pizza Club.
Stay tuned for our pizza delivery schedule for the next week.